Sorry, I don't wanna change. Thinking about the way we were, it takes me to another place. Because I don't wanna wake up from this dream. It's our own reality. So close your eyes, open your mind, and let it free. Imaginate and realize it's all you need.